Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning, guys. Papadede ako kay Dawson. Brayden is just laying there. Katapos niya lang dumede. We're supposed to do a live chat today, but they're both awake and I was so tired. Hindi sila natulog, mga ano na, alas 2 na ng madaling araw sila nakatulog. Energetic na energetic yung dalawa kagabi. Ay guys, nakatulog din yung kambal. Grabe, ang tagal bago natulog. Siguro mga 4 hours silang nag-crying session bago nakatulog. So, si Dawson gusto ng pacifier. And then, si Brayden, yan, tulog na tulog yung makulit. Taba ng pisngi. While Loki is watching them. Are you a good boy, Loki? Huh? You watch the twins? Ha? Pag umiiyak yung kambal, nakiki-SUS din siya. Let's check it out outside. Guys, ayan, nag-i-snow. Dapat lalabas sana ako. I'm gonna go shopping, but I'm just gonna do it tomorrow because I don't wanna drive in the snow. Sobrang madulas yung daan. Ayaw matulog ni Dawson sa kanyang bassinet, so nilagay ko dito sa kanyang pillow. Yan, ang sarap na ng tulog niya. Daddy just came home from the store. What did you buy?
A lot of stuff. $202.
Are you serious?
You'll see why I bought myself something too.
You spend that much? 200, guys, is almost 10,000 pesos.
It's not my fault.
You didn't even stay long in there.
Long enough. 2 items were expensive.
Diapers.
But you'll see why I got one.
Diyos ko po. About diapers. We're just trying to buy a little bit of newborns. Kasi medyo papaliit na sa kanila. Medyo hindi na kasya. Baka next week hindi na newborn yung kanilang gamitin. Let's check what did Pablo bought from the store and why he spent $200. It's, oh, this is corn. I love corn. Cheese. French fries. Excuse me, guys. Cheese. What's in this one? Vanilla frosting. Yeah. I'm going to make a cake. So I asked him to buy. And what's this? Chicken.
Yeah, chicken fried rice.
Kabobora shoes. That's what.
I have to.
I know, that's fine.
Because those ones I bought were $25 and they hurt my feet so bad.
How much is that one?
And these are $75.
Oh, okay.
They're still cheaper than the ones I buy in Springfield,
It's
Columbus.
his work shoes. And milk. And
I got two more things to get.
tissue.
One thing. Look, I got these for you. Look how big they
Oh
are.
my god.
Did you
Are
like
you
the?
serious?
Did you like those? I hope you did, because
I actually like the banana, not the.
banana. They don't have banana in these.
Oh, they don't.
No, those are the big muffins.
Oh my god, this is a big one.
I know.
Oh, you just bought this because you bought a shoe, so you won't feel guilty. What else? Oh, okay. Cake mix because I'm going to make cake sa 1-month-old birthday ng twins. I like this in the morning. Cornbread because it's going to make carrots and tuna pack. Water.
40-pack of water. Can you imagine trying to get on a jeepney or a tricycle with this thing?
We don't use bottom. Where's that?
A pack and play and bassinet. I think they can. On top, it's a removable. Then I think they'll sleep in it together.
Kabobora. Pack and play. It's like a crib. We're gonna show you guys later. So yun guys. Yung isa dito oh. Calbo Bora Pack and Play. Ayan, we're gonna try to let them sleep together. And let's see if they will sleep better. And gusto na kasi namin bumalik sa room namin. So, we're gonna try to put this in our room and let them sleep there. How much is it, Han?
It was one. No,
you
no,
said
no, my
70.
bad. $70. $70.
And we're gonna try to sell the bassinet online. See if someone will buy it. They are using their pack and play now. I think Dawson's head is bigger than Brayden. They are both curious. Tingnan yung mukha. Tulala lang silang dalawa.
Like, what the heck?
Oh my god, that's so cute. They're starting to fall asleep. I think they like this. But we don't know yet. Maybe they're just
I think
tired.
they're just tired. How you guys like your pack and play?
That's so cute. Brayden is starting to fall asleep. His brother, stop moving. So guys, we're trying to have dinner. Cabo made chili and cornbread. He's eating now, but I can't eat yet because this little guy right here, si Kuya Dawson, ay nag-inarte. Ngayon alam ko na kung sino yung malikot sa loob ng tiyan ko. Ito oh. Kasi si Bunso, si Brayden, nakatulog lang siya mag-isa sa kanyang bagong crib. And ang bait-bait niya. Samantalang tong isa, hindi mapakali lagi. Ito yung iyakin. It seems like the twins like their pack and play. Tinago na namin guys yung kanilang bassinet. Nandun na sa kanilang kwarto. Dawson is sleeping and Brayden is he pooping?
I don't know what he's doing. He had his bottle, then he fell asleep.
It's so cute. Hi baby, do you like your bed?
I was getting tired of holding him up, and I thought he was gonna fall asleep, and then he didn't.
Guys, tonight we're going to attempt to go back to our room kasi medyo naka-recover na ako, kaya ko nang bumaba at sa aming bed. So we're gonna put this pack and play inside our room, and then they're gonna sleep there with us. So wish us good luck. I hope the twins will cooperate, and it seems like they like it so far. Right? I think the $75 is worth it. Kaya lang yung bassinet, ginamit lang nila siguro mga 3 weeks lang nilang ginamit. So, and they're starting not to like sleeping there. So anyway, today Brayden did his first roll. As in, gumanon talaga siya tumagilid, and I took a picture. Hindi ko nga lang siya nakuha ng video. But I took a picture and I sent it to my mother-in-law, and she said it's too early for him to do that, and she told me to watch him because he might roll over while we are sleeping. And he's a strong boy. Yeah, it's too early, but
He didn't roll onto his stomach, but he did.
yeah,
I
it's
had
like
him on his back, and a few minutes later, he was on his side.
grabe, ang lakas nitong
Look
batang to, oo. Ang cute nga ng picture niya, sayang hindi ko na-film, but anyway, nakakatakot lang kasi 'di ba pag masyado pa silang bata para matulog ng nakadapa. Kasi dito sa US, they don't recommend doing that when they're this tiny kasi maraming cases na ganyan, na suffocate yung bata. So, yun lang for today guys. Tomorrow, Cowboy's going back to work, so I'm gonna be here by myself again. But he's only working 4 days next week because he took a day off, right?
Yeah.
Friday kasi nga
My
Valentine's
mom's
Day,
gonna be here about
Thursday.
noon.
Is she?
tomorrow. Yeah, so that's good. That'll help you
Okay.
a little bit.
Tomorrow, I'm going back to my doctor for my postpartum check-up. Surgery check-up, something like that. Yung titignan niya ata yung aking stitches and tiyan ko na malaki pa rin. So, yun lang for today, guys. I think it's still snowing outside. Is it?
Maybe, I'm not sure. If it is, it's not much, I don't think.
And maraming salamat sa mga sumali sa amin sa live chat namin kaninang umaga. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow.